And now it's time for a special presentation from the Rus Rus missionaries. Their airplane just took off for a faraway place to be repaired, leaving them with no airplane and nothing to do.
We are the pilots who don't do anything. We just stay at home and lie around. And if you ask us to do anything, we'll just tell you we don't do anything.
Well, I've never been to Newark, and I've never been to Hartsfield, and I've never flown a hole in Sarasota or Shanghai, and I've never been to Paris, and I've never been to Brisbane, and I've never been to Oshkosh in July.
'Cause we're the pilots who don't do anything. We just stay at home and lie around. And if you ask us to do anything, we'll just tell you we don't do anything.
Well, I never do a Mac check, and I never call the tower, and I never use right rudder, 'cause I do not ever fly, and I never sum the tip tanks, and I never use a checklist, and I've never been to Oshkosh in July.
'Cause we're the pilots who don't do anything. We just stay at home and lie around. And if you ask us to do anything, we'll just tell you we don't do anything.
I've never driven a snowplow, and I'm not too good at ping pong, and I've never ate a bowl of ice cream with some apple pie, and I've never kissed a spider, and I've never gotten frostbite, and I've never been to Oshkosh in July.
Huh? What are you talking about? What's a snowplow and an apple pie got to do with being a pilot?
Hey, that's right. We're supposed to be singing about piloty things.
Oh.
And whoever kissed a spider, that's just nonsense. Why even bring it up?
I kiss a spider.
And I've never looked at football, and I've never do snowball, and I've never had snow, and I've never wondered why, and I've never bathed in oil, and I don't look good in leggings.
You just don't get it.
And we've never been to Oshkosh in July.